Hello, my name is Mark Manassi, and I am the professor for Education 100. I look forward to meeting you soon, and the point of this video is to do a couple things. Welcome you, so welcome, and also show you our Canvas shell so you have some ideas about what's going on in there. So hopefully you see it right now, and when you get there, you'll see there's a place right at the top you can click the orientation button. I suggest doing that up here. And then you can start with your week 1 assignments after you do that. On our landing page, there's information about me, about the course, including the syllabus, our mandatory meeting dates, and again, there are additional links for the orientation and weekly class materials. If you click into the orientation, you'll see information welcoming you, how to log into Canvas, which is inside of Canvas, so you should get this information via email as well. There's a video on how to log in, your first assignment, which is to upload a picture of yourself or an avatar, things to keep in mind, and some helpful resources, including our Zoom room information. Once you get in there, you'll see announcements, you'll see our discussion section, and things like that. If you go back to the home page by just clicking there, you can click again up here in week 1 assignments or click on the bottom. It's really up to you. And once you get in there, you'll see our assignments for the first week, divvied up by day. So that's kind of how you do that. Announcements, like I said, will be in the announcement section. There are none yet. And then all your discussion questions will be posted in the discussion section. So that is our course, our overview. Welcome. And I'll see you soon. Hopefully this onboarding into the class works out. And if you have any questions, you'll be in contact with me via email this week. All right, I'll see you. Bye, and welcome.